the Beckett Simonon Hoyt Monkstrap. So right here I have a pair of Beckett Simonon double Monkstraps that I ordered. Beckett Simonon is a made-to-order company that specializes in shoes, jackets, bags, etc. The cool thing about Beckett Simonon is that Beckett Simonon is made to order. That means they don't start actually producing your shoe until you put in an order. This means that you're the only person that's actually worn these shoes. So I ordered these maybe a couple months ago. I ordered these in Bordeaux or Burgundy. Now, of course, you all always know I like to go through the box and see what's the contents in the box. So this is a gift to you. This is basically taking 20% off the next order. It's a VIP offer on another thank you card. Always a nice touch. And then here's the shoes themselves. These shoes come in dust bags to protect them. And here they are. So again, this is a burgundy double Monkstrap, Blake stitched, all other soles. And here's the other one. Again, these would actually go nice with what I have on right now. I would throw on some light chinos with this shirt and then slap on these bad boys, and here you got a nice outfit. So far, I like these. I'm going to try them on and see how they look with pants. If you like double Monkstrap loafers and you think Beckett Simonon is a brand to go for, I have a link in the description that will take you directly to these double monks where you can purchase them for yourself. So this is an outfit I did for my Beckett Simonon Hoyt Monkstraps. You see I got on a white short sleeve outfit from Ralph Lauren, some athletic fit chinos from Old Navy, and then my Hoyt Monkstraps.